welcome back everyone. So today we are going to start a new series called the Good Morning uh, C series. In this series, we are going to solve every day a new challenge in C programming language, and so here it goes. So in today's challenge, we are going to see the topic called double pointers and they do what they do in real life examples. So let us have a look. I'm quickly going to log in into my system, so just a second guys. So before I start this series, so it's a huge commitment from my side that I'll be posting new videos regularly from now on. Because of COVID I was previously held back, and now I don't think that will be the reason, because I have recovered and now I'll upload as frequently as I can. So let us log in. I'm performing this experiment on my VM because I love Linux. That is exactly why. It is taking some time, but yeah, let's wait. So double pointers, what do they do? What basically, how basically are we familiar with them? We are all going to discuss in this video. Open up the terminal. We are going to stop and then let's go to C. Let's create a file called. So let us write our code. Suppose first I'm going to load the preprocessor directory. So include std. I'm going to write my main function. Okay. So I'm declaring here a variable called intx is equals to let's say 90. Okay. And then I'm declaring suppose a pointer like pa. Okay. I'm sure this is not a double pointer. We are going to get jump right into it just after some time. So this is my pointer, and now I'm assigning it a value that is the address of x. Then I'm printing something. Let's see the value of like x. Having a lot of typos here because this keyboard is not visible, guys. That is exactly why I'm struggling with it. Then let's write it again like printf s is will be like. So this is a very basic example of how things work. So let us jump right into it. First I have to make this program executable. So chmod, a lot, and then I'm going to execute it. Error is pretty understandable. So let's cut out the spaces. Uh, yeah, it seems to be working fine, but why is there a problem? I don't see here a single problem. I don't know. Everything seems to be fine. Unexpected. Let's give it a try. Yeah, the bracket is fine. Everything seems to be working in place. I don't know. Okay. I know what is the problem. I'm so silly. So the thing is that it will not execute like this. First I have to create an object of it. So, oh my god, I just know what I have done. Like, can I make this silly mistake? I don't know. Uh, Hopefully this will work. Yes. So here you can see the value of x is 90 and the address it is returning. So it is a very basic pointer program. Let's clear the screen first. So it's a very basic pointer program, but we are not going to focus on that. Uh, right now I'm going to focus on something called double pointers. So what are double pointers? Uh, it will basically be somewhat like this. Um, pb, so pb is our double pointer, and I'm going to store the address value of pa pointer, okay, to pb. Okay, so these are stored, and then if I print here the address, sorry, ah address of pointer percentage p, uh, so what is happening is that the value of x is 90, and then the pointer pa, the pointer pa, which is storing the address of x, is the address of x is like this is an hexadecimal code, and then the pointer, the address of the pointer, like the pointer pa, pointer pa is this one. So that is exactly what is happening. So what will happen is that if we if we want to get the value of x, we can get it, because pb is storing the value of the storing the address of pa, and pa is storing the address of x. So we can get the value of x if we try using pb. So this is the functionality of a double pointer, like what we have here is pb. So if I write here, let's write here, uh, let's go like this, printf value of x t, and if I write here double star pb, then I can get, here, wait, yes, then I'll get here the value of x. See here, I can access the value of x through pb. So wait, just wait, what is happening? So yeah, that was all about the double pointer, and so you know what is what is this now used for. So go ahead guys, like this video if you have enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again tomorrow with a new video. So till then, take care and goodbye.